to the Mix Lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. And Dwayne came out and he has this message for Maxine. Basically, he's saying that at this time, he's thinking that Maxine is just obsessed with Donna. And basically, he's saying, it's hate and other things. So, guys, he's saying that basically, um, allegedly, Maxine should not be, speaking about Donna's, child, that would have been the smaller child because that would have been the same thing as other people speaking about her grandchild. That and Dwayne is saying that basically when that happened, he came out and he spoke up for her, her grandchild, because he knew that was a child and he doesn't really want anyone to be talking about children, especially on social media, because, those are children and they should not be involved in social media. And he has a clear message, he's saying that basically he didn't come out, to fight with her. He was just encouraging her and letting her know that it's time to let go. But, clearly she's not letting go. So he's saying that, he just wanted her to really stop and, take another look because he's saying that people just want to hear the mix up and that's why they're cheering her on. And he's saying that there's other things that she can talk about to get her audience and stuff. So go ahead and go catch the video. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. So when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies and friends out there celebrating their birthdays today, I wish you a happy, happy birthday. And I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies, my followers, my supporters, my friends, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day today.
Intervening, and say, Mommy, I want to go down. Because Maxine, there comes a time in our life where we say, all right, it's time to let go now and move on. Maxine, bear in mind, me know say you love Mixup. Me know say you love Mixup now. You love Mixup. Because me as I say, yeah, after content, yeah, try find content. Maxine, there's so much Mixup at one on TikTok. I believe a lot of Mixup at one on TikTok. A lot of Mixup is being posted on Facebook every other day. Follow the Mixup video, you will see them pull for two story and talk about them if you want to talk about them. Just basically what bothered me when she goes on other platforms and talk about Donna kids. And does she do that, Anne? You see, this what I'm saying. At this point, it is borderline obsession, and now you're saying that at this point, it's freaking hate. It's hate. It's hatred. It's hateful. It's hateful. And Maxine, you've become very hateful. I'm sorry to tell you, it's the truth. It's the truth. You're probably gonna say, "Oh, me a kiss that I asked me." And it's a lie. I tell. If Donna troubles me tomorrow, I will tell her about herself. And this goes for all of you. If Donna troubles me tomorrow in a manner that is not pleasing to me, I would tell her about herself. Okay, you know why? If me can tell my mother when she pissed me off, Donna is known for me to tell her you pissed me off too, and tell her, say hello, don't do that again. But Maxine, the difference between me and you, I know when to let go, and you're not let go. You're not letting go. Me feel like you feel like if you don't talk about Donna, or if you don't talk about Donna's children, or something where it was so nasty, people not gonna watch it. But Maxine, I tell you, if those people really, really like you, me not gonna say all of them are gonna stay. Me not gonna say all of them gonna hello, me not gonna say all of them is gonna stay with you because I'll be telling you a lie. Because me I tell you, a lot of them on your page, them love when you class the woman I'm bringing her, picking them and talk nasty about her mother, and it's just to talk nasty about her family. Period. And that them like a son for them get them friggin' laughter. But me I tell you, Maxine, not all of them are gonna leave you. If you find other Mixup to come out to talk about, not all of them gonna leave you. Because you know why? Those people, they've gotten used to you. I mean, I gotta say some, I gotta stay, but most of them will love the frigate, they're gonna go. And that is okay, Maxine, because in life, those people was never with you from the jump. And at this point, a lot of them on your page right now, they are not with you. They want to over there because to cheer you on. The same things they were doing to me, cheer me on for the nasty and cuss the woman and cuss the one. I that them like, Maxine. That is what they like, Maxine. And I'm telling the truth. When I look on the body, I don't know what coming. I'm telling the truth. This is what these people like. At this point, you see us black people, most of us on Facebook, at this point, at Facebook and YouTube, we are our own downfall. We bring each other down. And it's on a don't realize that all of us, we can actually come out and do something where make sense. People say, yes, my girl, yes, my boy, yes, my youth, yes, my son, yes, my daughter. We can do so much things out here. But most of us, we for 5 years or more now, a lot of us, we've used our time on here just to do nasty. Maxine, I'm telling you, you really have picked up where I left off. Not just you, many of you have chosen the path that I chose. And where did it get me? In most times, it put me in a battle wall. Most of the people in follow them couldn't come cost me, make cost them, me black them black me. Maxine, it's if this continues, it's like the cycle will never end. And Maxine, I'm gonna tell you, you are very disrespectful. You're very, very disrespectful. I mean, no say, me no, Maxine, when people came out and spoke so ill about your little grandbaby, that hurt me, that freaking hurt me. Me come out, I'm going myself feel like a grandbaby, and look at you, Maxine. You continuously regurgitate the same things about this woman, little son. Okay, hypothetically speaking, if it was true, why are you continuously coming out here and regurgitating the thing? What if that little boy hears something now and it traumatizing for the rest of his days? The thing is, a lot of us, we don't think of the bigger picture. And Maxine, you know, say, when people talk the things about your little grandbaby, I know it hurts you. I know it hurts you because it's a little baby. I don't care what you say. That little boy is a minor. That little boy is a minor, Maxine. And I know if that little boy was your family, it would have bothered you to hear people speaking so ill of him, right? So my question to you is, why is it that every time you go on your live stream, you continuously say these things over and over and over and over? Like, say, you are a damn parakeet, or you're broken, or like you're like a damn radio, or like your scrap CD where you keep saying the same things over and over. When are you going to stop this nastiness? When will you stop this nasty behavior? When are we going to learn to leave children, let them grow, and let them grow? At this point, all children are innocent in everything we do. Leave children out to be children until them get big. Right? Maxine, you should know better. I don't care what beef you have with Donna. I don't care I don't give a shit. I don't care what you and Donna have. That little boy's name should be left out of your mouth, should be left out of your conversation. And yes, you can say, oh, he's this, he's that, he's whatever. Maxine, when are you going to stop this? When are you going to stop this, Maxine? Maxine, obsession is a hell of a thing. It is a hell of a thing. And you have proven to me and many others that without Donna, you are nothing. Don't you realize for the last however long, I don't even... Yesterday, I talked more than a little bit, and maybe the day before I talked more than a little bit. But for most of my conversation, Maxine, has nothing to do with them. Ask me why, Maxine, because I know there's always something out there I can find to talk about. Always something. That's my style. What people on YouTube like Soulflow, because they come up with different things that can give me ideas to come on here and come talk about. Even if the way I speak about it, it does not come into fruition how I want to. At the end of it, I always get my point across. Right? So why can't you do the same thing? Why can't you do the exact same thing? You tell people figure name out them people. Maxine, you are a big woman, and I don't care. Me know say you'll cuss me, but I don't care. Just know say you're gonna cuss by yourself. You know the other day me say talk about me, and I did not look. I never listened to one word they said. Cause you know why I didn't listen? Because anything you're gonna tell me is something you've told me before, and most likely it won't make no sense. So why the hell should I listen to something where I know that I'm not gonna learn anything from? Why? Maxine, at this point, you have become a thorn on social media. And I don't care at the point you love that woman to the point where you drove up and down America to go and to do a lot of things for a lot of things. And yes, she came on and said some things about you, to which she came back out here and retracted. Even if the followers did not buy her story, at least she came out here and said it, Maxine. So to me, this breakdown, this broken bridge, whatever has broken here, it didn't have to go this far. It did not have to go that far. My question is, many of us on here with platforms, we are our own enemies. And a lot of the followers, they don't help. They don't help with anything. Because oftentimes followers are just dragging that one. Just followers is still the most out here. My question is, Maxine, when 2025 come, will you continue the same thing? And Maxine, God forbid if we go to our bed this night and you don't wake up tomorrow, will you be pleased with everything you've done today? Will you be pleased? Will you be pleased with your actions towards those little children passing and innocent people? Innocent people. Many times people spoke ill about my little nephew, my sister, my mom, amongst other things, and it pained me. It freaking pained me. It pained me. So I can only imagine how those people feel hearing these things coming out of people's mouth about their family too. I mean, no say nothing they say to me, I know they hear it. They freaking hear it. They hear it. They hear it. If someone as famous as Rihanna, who followed me on Twitter in the early some years ago, and I know Rihanna was talking to me on one of her pages, and she asked me questions about herself, and in no time I only hear a ping, and I got a follow from her. Shit. We all have ways and means of getting information or hearing things from what other people talk about, we say. And that's the truth. Maxine, my girl. Are you proud? Are you proud of yourself? Are you proud? Are you proud of yourself? If you're proud of yourself, and anything I say here, void it. Anything I say, just void it. But for me, I really went on a soul searching journey for 6 months now. I've been searching for 6 months now. 6 months. Exact 6 months. From June to December is 6 months. From the 4th of June to the 4th of December is 6 months. I've been soul searching for that long. That's why I'm try to drown myself for many things. And trust me, it was not easy, because a lot of times I see nastiness happening, and it's a lot, God, it was so hard. It was so hard for me to not succumb to pulling for it. Because you know why? You see, a lot of you people, especially the ones who's left me, it's because of you people why I was caught up for that long. Because of you people why I was caught up for that long. Because when I came with things that make sense, I never want to hear it. But as soon as I come to nastiness now, all of you latch onto it. So clearly there was a barrier. But this time I said, listen, it's now or never. And I'm glad I stuck to my will, and I did not give up. And Maxine, you too can do it too. You can do it. In fact, all of you on here with platforms can do it too. But telling you, I'm gonna be the poster crippled boy from London for say, listen, if anyone does something, only can do it. I'm the poster crippled boy. Can't love call me crippled. Let me call myself the poster crippled boy, man, whatever one come from London. Show know how it's meant to be done properly. Right? Maxine, it's time to stop this nonsense. It's time you stop this nonsense. Come and know, so when people speak ill about anyone in your family, when people speak ill about anyone in your family, it hurts you. I know it hurts you. I know. Because if I was in your shoes, it would hurt me too. And trust me, I was in your shoes where they kept on dragging my mom, my elite mother who's out to saving lives. They dragged her. My little nephew, they dragged him too. At the time, he was no more than 9 years old. My little cousin was 10 years old. They dragged him too. My sister, who's not in social media, they dragged her. My brothers who are not in social media, somehow their information was leaked on here. It bothered me, Maxine. It bothered me. I kept asking myself, why on earth am I continuously allowing these people to get to me like this? And they use my family. And Maxine, they're using your family to get at you too. And you too, now you're using people's family to get at them too. But now, Maxine, it's like the shoe you're trying to flip on someone else's foot. It's just not reaching because they're now look. And I know they hear it. I know it hurts them, but they are not responding. So why continue to come out here and just be uttering the same stuff over and over? Like, Maxine, when are you gonna stop? A lot of you telling me hi, right? Oh, Sharon, what's up? Sorry, Sharon. I know you're one of my day ones. Thank you for being here, my love. Maxine, you know, many of us should be ashamed of ourselves. Many of us should be ashamed of ourselves. You know why? Because people who's not Jamaican, they are making way more impacts in our country, men and women's lives, than what many of us do day to day. And that's the truth. Go over TikTok and I say, go over TikTok and I know what I say. You know, many of us will come out at the time and just put out a lot of hateful content, hate speeches. There's a lot of nastiness. The time many of you out are using a peer to do this nonsense, or no, that use it. And then again, I know before when I said I can't speak, I can't this because I've done this. Okay, yes, I accept I did those things, but that when you must understand, I don't live there. I don't live there anymore. I wanna live there. I wanna live there, not me. I move on to a new address and I wanna move back to my old address. Right? Ask me why I love TikTok, because most times I'm on TikTok trying to make my little impacts as much as I can do with my little government money. I try to help people with little government money on TikTok by myself. And who did I get the spirit of humanitarianism from? Oh, but that's I didn't see I do it. And I liked it. I grew to like it. I'm gonna start more like a thing to when we look a friend them. We'll start able to 2 people as best as we can. Many of you out here with platforms can do the exact same thing too. Make impacts out there. All ones who don't have a platform, make impacts in whatever way you can too. I saw we're gonna make the world better and stop this nastiness. You understand? People who's not from Jamaica are making a lot of impacts in our country, men and women's life. And all we as Jamaicans do, we come out and put out a lot of nastiness. Even some of those TikTokers, they make no sense. And that's the truth. They don't make a damn sense. Because the same thing happening on Facebook and YouTube is most of this. It's the same thing happening on TikTok too, amongst our Jamaican community, where a lot of them are just hating on each other and just try to bring on each other because some want more money than others. No. How we grow is by pushing up each other as best as we can. Each one helps the other, and that one elevate the other. Simple. But a lot of us we've been doing it. We have been doing it the wrong way. And some of you followers too, you don't help. You don't help. Because you too, you play your part in making people feel like they are not worthy. When clearly people was worthy, because the fact that their platform has 10,000+ followers, that should tell you that those people, they worked hard. They work hard. So why is it okay for people to feel it's okay to just to bring that and bring? No. You people are wrong. We're all wrong. We are all wrong. We, including me, we are all wrong. We're all wrong. Understand? We are all wrong. How do we fix this? How do we mend those broken bridges? How are we gonna mend these broken bridges? I pray by 2025, we will all be unified and on one accord. I pray.